Bella was a tiny blue bird with feathers the color of the summer sky. She lived in a cozy nest made of soft grass and silver twigs. Every morning, the sun would wake her up with a warm kiss on her beak. One day, Bella flew down to the garden and saw her friend, Daisy the flower. Daisy was drooping and looked very sad because she was thirsty. The sun was too hot, and there had been no rain. Bella wanted to help. She flew high above the trees, looking for water. She flew over the hills and over the river, chirping as loud as she could to find a cloud. Daisy the flower drank the water and stood up tall and bright. Bella landed on Daisy's petal, and they sang a happy song together. The whole garden was green and beautiful again. Finally, Bella found a small, fluffy grey cloud. She tickled the cloud with her wings until it started to giggle. The giggles turned into raindrops. The rain began to fall gently over the garden.